Everyone's looking for quick fixes. How about an all-natural cough syrup? No pharmacy trip needed. Hey there, health buffs. Today we're whipping up a DIY cough syrup that's super easy and effective. All you need are two simple ingredients, onion and honey. First, grab a medium-sized onion. Slice it up nice and thin. Now, layer those slices in a jar. Next, pour in some honey. Make sure each layer of onion gets a good drizzle. Seal the jar and let it sit for a few hours. The onion and honey are mingling to create a magic syrup. Once it's ready, take a spoonful every few hours. This syrup helps soothe your cough and reduce congestion. Simple, right? Give it a try and let nature work its magic. Stay healthy and see you next time.